In this video, we will show you how to set up the HP120 manual pad printer to get to the point where we can start printing. Let's unbox the contents. The HP120 comes with base plate, 2 ink cups, 2 pads, the machine, mounting bolts, Allen wrenches, pad holders, and an English instruction manual. Let's mark mounting holes on a sturdy work table. Next, drill holes using a 3/8 inch drill bit. From the underside of the table, attach the mounting hardware so the screw bottom is flush with the machine. You may need to countersink your screws. Then attach the hand lever using the large Allen wrench. You can place the base plate on the machine for now. Remove the pad holders. Disassemble the pad holder and place that part which attaches to the pad onto the pad. Replace the pad holders with the pads onto the machine. That's it. You're now ready to mix ink, place the ink cups on the machine, and start printing.